Magandang umaga mga kaibigan, sa aking mga subscriber, sa aking mga silent viewer dyan. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Mga kaibigan, mayroon ako ditong 5,000 dong yung pag-usapan natin. Ito yung tao na yan ay si Ho Chi Minh Nguyen Sinh Chong Kong, May 19, 1890 to September 2, 1969. Colloquially known as Uncle Ho or just Uncle, and by other aliases and sobriquets, was a Vietnamese communist revolutionary, nationalist, and politician. He served as Prime Minister of the Democratic Republic of Vietnam from 1945 to 1955, and as President from 1945 until his death in 1969. Ideologically a Marxist-Leninist, he was the chairman and first secretary of the Workers' Party of Vietnam, the predecessor of the current Communist Party of Vietnam. Ho Chi Minh was born in Nghệ An province in the French protectorate of Annam from 1911. He left French Indochina to continue his revolutionary activities. He was also one of the founding members of the French Communist Party in 1930. He founded the Communist Party of Vietnam, and in 1941 he returned to Vietnam and founded the Viet Minh Independence Movement, an umbrella group. Then he excuse me po. He led the August Revolution against the Japanese in August 1945, which resulted in the independence of the Democratic Republic of Vietnam. After the French return to power the following month, Ho's government retreated to the Viet Bac region and began guerrilla warfare. The Viet Minh defeated the French Union in 1954 at the Battle of Dien Bien Phu, ending the First Indochina War and resulting in the division of Vietnam, with the Viet Minh in control of North Vietnam and anti-communist in control of South Vietnam, who was the key figure in the People's Army of Vietnam during the Vietnam War, which lasted from 1955 to 1975, who officially stepped down from power in 1965 due to health problems and died in 1969. North Vietnam was ultimately victorious against South Vietnam and its allies. Vietnam was officially unified in 1976. Saigon, the former capital of South Vietnam, was renamed Ho Chi Minh City in his honor. The details of Ho Chi Minh life before become the power in Vietnam are uncertain. He is known to have used between 50 and 200 pseudonyms. Information on his birth and early life is ambiguous and subject to academic debate. At least 4 existing official biographies vary in names, dates, place, and other hard fact, while unofficial biographies vary even more widely. Aside from being politician, who was writer, poet, and journalist, he wrote several books, articles, and poems in Chinese, Vietnamese, and French. Ho Chi Minh was born as Nguyen Sin Kong in 1890 in the village of Lang Chu or Wang Tru in Kim Lien Commune, Nam Dan District, Nghệ An Province in central Vietnam, which was then a French protectorate, although 1890 is generally accepted as his birth year at various times. He used for other birth years 1891, 1892, 1894, and 1895. He lived in the further Nguyen Sin Sac village of Lang Sin in Kim Lien until 1895, when his father sent him to Ho for study. He had 3 siblings. His sister Bach Lin, Nguyen Tin Tan, a clerk in the French army. His brother Nguyen Sin Kim, Nguyen Tat Dat, a geomancer and traditional herbalist, and other brother Nguyen Sin Nuan, who died in infancy as a young child. Kong, who died with the father before more formal classes with a scholar named Bong Tok Koy. He quickly mastered Kuhan, a prerequisite for a serious study of Confucianism, while honing his colloquial Vietnamese writer. In addition to his study, he was fond of adventure and loved to fly kites and go fishing. Following Confucian tradition, his father gave him a new name at the age of 10, Nguyen Tat Tan. His father was Confucian's scholar and teacher, and later an imperial magistrate in the small remote district of Ben Ki, Kinon. He was demoted for abuse of power after an influential local figure died several days after having received 102 strokes of the cane as punishment for an infraction. His father was eligible to serve in the imperial bureaucracy, but he refused because it meant serving the French. This exposed Tan Ho to rebellion at a young age and seemed to the norm for the province. Nevertheless, he received a French education, attending college, Kok Hok Lycée, or secondary education in Ho excuse me po, in Ho in central Vietnam. His disciple Pham Van Dong and Bu Nguyen Giap also attended the school, as did Ngo Dinh Diem, the future president of South Vietnam and political rival. His early life is uncertain, but there are some documents indicating activities regarding an early revolutionary spirit during French-occupied Vietnam, but conflicting resources renamed. Previously, it was believed that Tan Ho was involved in an anti-slavery, anti-Corby demonstration of poor peasants in Hue in May 1908, which endangered his student status at College Kok Hok. However, documents from the center des archives de Cottremer in France show that he was admitted to College Kok Hok on August 8, 1908, which was several months after the anti-Corby demonstration, April 9 to 13, 1908. Oh, yun ang buhay ni Ho Chi Minh. Revolutionary pala siya, kaya pala siya ang nilalagay sa paper note ng Vietnam. Tsaka yung isang syudad, pinangalan din sa kanya para sa pag-alala paging ano niya, bayani at leader. Pictures Vietnam issuer period Socialist Republic type standard banknote year 1991 value 5,000 dong, value sa Pilipinas 12 pesos. Ayan mga kaibigan. Currency second new dong, composition paper, papel lang pala to. Size 134 by 64 mm, shape rectangular. Obverse Ho Chi Minh Kong Hoa Sa Hoi Cha Cho Nge Vietnam Nam Nguyen Dong. Ito yung bangko ata nila ito. Itong Kong Ho Sa Hoi Cho Nge Vietnam, bangko yan. Itong Nanging Dong, ito yung pangalan ng pera nila. Pangalan ng pera nila o pangalan din niya ito? Kasi napaiba-iba yung pangalan niya kanina eh. Tapos ito yung 5,000. Ito siya. Punta tayo sa reverse. Reverse! Hydraulic Power Station 5,000 Ngan Hang Chanok Vietnam Nam Nguyen Dong. Nandito pa rin yung pangalan ng bangko, si Nang Nguyen Dong. Pangalan niya siguro talaga to. Ito yung power plant nila, hydraulic power plant, kung baga galing sa tubig. Punta tayo sa presyo niya mga kaibigan. Ang presyo niya ay good 28, very good 28, fine 30 pesos, very fine 36, hanggang extra fine, almost uncirculated 50, uncirculated 59. Mahal din siya mga kaibigan. So mga kaibigan, baka pwede maglambing ng subscribe, pa-press ng subscribe, pa-press ng notification bell, pa-select ng all para ma-notify kayo pag ako nag-upload ng video. Pa-like na rin, at kung gusto nyo i-share, pa-share na rin. Magandang umaga mga kaibigan. Salamat!